welcome to Good Mind Gyan. Today we are going to study about common chemistry laboratory apparatus. So let's see the common chemistry laboratory apparatus. There are many laboratory apparatus. Let us study a few of them. This is a Bunsen burner. It is also called as a modern chemistry laboratory apparatus. Previously, we used to use spirit lamps. We use it now also, but nowadays in the modern labs you will find burners, clay triangle for heating, ring stand for different experiments, platform balance for weighing, test tube holder to hold the test tube when it is heated, crucible tongs also for heating purpose. You have a wire gauze which is made up of iron mesh provided with thin sheet of asbestos in the middle. It distributes heat from the burner evenly to the glass apparatus and prevents from cracking. Crucible and cover, which is used for melting of the metals and of heating of the metals, and it is used since ancient times. Mortar and pestle for grinding and powdering certain chemicals. You have a funnel for filtration, ceramic square for heating, keeping things which are heated. You have a stupula for taking out taking the chemicals, the thermometer to measure the temperature. You have a graduated pipette. Okay, the role of the pipette is it is a long narrow tube and it is provided with a nozzle at one end and a bulb in the middle. There is a circular mark also, and it is used for measuring a fixed volume of liquid chemicals and then transferring it into another vessel. You have a volumetric pipette as well. Then you have a burette for titration. Condensers, it has an inlet and an outlet. It is also called as Liebig's condenser. You have a Florence flask, a test tube brush for cleaning the test tubes, a beaker. Beakers are of different sizes. You have a graduated cylinder. Graduated cylinder is also called as a measuring cylinder for measuring definite volume of a liquid and then pouring it into another vessel. Test tubes are found of various sizes. You have a watch glass to keep specimens or chemicals. Pipette bulb, okay, like you can add a dropper to it and use to transfer the chemicals or liquids or solvents. Then there is an Erlenmeyer flask, which is a type of laboratory flask which is features flat bottom, conical body, and or a conical flask or a titration flask. Next, these are all different apparatus which are found: dropper, dropping liquid, gas jar, beaker, trough, flask, flat bottom flask, conical flask, pear shaped flask, U tubes, test tube, small test tube, wide tube, pear shaped flask, Suckian flask, cannula, Liebig condenser, measuring cylinder, and acid burette. See, this is one of the photograph which is taken from the chemical laboratory. So I hope you liked my video. I have tried showing you the common laboratory apparatus found in the chemistry lab. If you liked my video, please share it and comment, and please let me know which other videos would you like to see. Thank you so much.